What's up, guys? Ryan Pineda. So today I'm going to give you a few benefits of lemons, and more specifically lemon water, and why you should be adding lemon juice to your water as much as possible. So first, it aids in digestion. Drinking warm water with a little bit of lemon juice added to it before a meal can aid in digestion. It'll help stimulate your stomach acids and the bile production. Both stomach acid and bile are needed to help break down food and turn that into fuel for your body. Drinking lemon water can also be great for your skin because lemons are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants benefit the skin by protecting against free radical damage, and they can also slow down the aging process. Lemons are also high in vitamin C, which is necessary for collagen production. Collagen keeps your skin looking young and can prevent or slow down the formation of wrinkles. Drinking lemon water can also keep your immune system strong because of the vitamin C content. Everybody knows that vitamin C is very beneficial for your immune system and keeping your immune system strong. This is definitely a good time to start adding lemon juice to your water because of the immune boosting benefits. So do that as much as you can. All right, guys, please like and share this video, and I will see you on the next one.